In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make text bounce in Wix. Now, if you take a look at my website, the text that I want to make bounce will be this heading right here, as you can see. Now, in order to make the text bounce, what you need to do is head over to your Wix editor, and then I want you to find the text that you want to make bounce. In my case, like I said, it's going to be this heading right here. So I'm going to click on it to highlight it, and then a bunch of different options are going to open up either on top of the text or below it. In my case, it's below. So the button that you want to click on is this animation button right here. And then I want you to focus on the loop option right here. So from here, I'm going to scroll down a little bit until you find the bounce animation, which is right here. Click on that. And then if you're happy with the way it is right now, you don't need to do anything. You can just exit out of this to save it. But if you want to edit the animation a little bit, you can click on the customize button down here and then change the motion style. For example, gentle, moderate, and intense. I'm going to make it intense. And then I want the duration to be shorter, just like this, and I want there to be a 1.6 second delay from the time the user sees this page, or from the time it loads up, because it is right on the front of the home page. So once you're happy with the changes, click on the Next button, and then let's preview the website and see whether the changes have taken place. As you can see, the button has now bounced. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make text bounce in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.